Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abstinent. 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 Abstinent is an adjective used to describe a person who is voluntarily refraining from indulging in certain behaviors or substances, often for reasons related to health, morality, or personal choice. It characterizes individuals who are practicing abstinence. Here are some examples. Example number 1. After years of heavy drinking, he decided to become alcohol abstinent to improve his health. Why abstinent is used in example number 1. Abstinent describes his decision to abstain from alcohol consumption for health reasons. Example number 2. She's been drug abstinent for over a year, and her life has significantly improved. Why abstinent is used in example number 2. Abstinent is used to indicate her commitment to staying drug-free and the positive impact it has had on her life. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.